MySQL. Okay, so what is happening here? How do we access MySQL? So MySQL has admin and then it has query browser. So we are going to pass through admin so that we can see how do we back up our data. So it is very important to know that there is server host, there is username and password. Always server host, it is local host because it is hosted on the machine. So quickly you just put in the local host and then the root, that is your username, and then you put in the password depending on what type of password you have put. For me, I already have one password there. So now I'm going to show you how do we back up databases and how do we restore. Restore means that I'm getting it from where it was to put it on this machine. Backing it up, that means I want to take them to another machine, or I want to back them up for maybe further use. So I click on backup. When you click on backup, you click on new. When you click on new, all the database that you want, they will come. So this one that you see under the data directory have been already selected. So you are free, you can even remove them. Just select them and then remove them from the backup tray. Then you can select which database do you want to back up. I want to select like one database that I want to back up. So this database has 1,000 files. These files are very many. Okay, so this is the way we are going to see how to create them. So now members, when you have created one, here there is just simple English. Here there is new project, save and execute backup. For us, we are interested in executing the backup. So click on executing the backup, then click save, and then it will start saving that. So that is the process we go through when we are backing up our database. Then how do we restore? We are going to see how do we restore a database, assuming that someone brings it on the flash. Then you put it on your machine and then restore. Here it is telling you backup was finished successfully. Now, step 2, how do we restore? These are simple steps. Click on restore. Here there is nothing apart from one thing. It is telling you open backup file. Open where you have backed it up. I will just click and then look for where I have backed up my files. I will click on it and I click open. You have two options here. You have backup, you have restart, restore. So as we are interested in restoring our, then we start restoring it until it is done, and it takes seconds, depends on how big your database is. So now it has, the restore operation was successfully done. Click OK and then you are done. All together.